Okay.
Tom. Hi everyone. Hi Tom. Congratulations. How was it? Oh, good job. How was it? How was it?
Congrats.
Congrats. I'm here like
Congrats.
Tom. Congratulations.
Congrats.
Congrats.
How was it though? Was it difficult?
Right.
I mean, although you passed, but
And then what's next? I'm pretty sure you already told me before, but oh, that's awesome. We have to pin Tom. Like
Pin Tom, right?
Can you pin that?
yeah, I think so.
On
Yeah,
the side, let's see.
Yeah, let's do that.
Pin comment.
Okay, good.
Ah.
All right. Special shout out.
As more people come on in, Tom. Welcome in, welcome in. I'm trying to share the live. Yeah. What a name. Atakafui. Okay, last. I call you last.
It's out last.
Okay.
Is that a name or just?
I have no idea.
Last.
Is this it?
Yeah, that's the question right there.
All right. A cloud engineer needs to check the link status of a network interface named ETH1 in a Linux server. Which of the following commands can help to achieve the goal?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, they already answered. B, D, and A. Okay, what's the answer? Welcome in, by the way. This is TikTok Women's Sacco. Every day of the week is a different certification created for people breaking newly into IT. So if you're planning on taking a Linux Plus certification, you are in the right place for about an hour of your time today. So what is the answer, please?
Yeah, so the answer would be D.
D.
Right? IP, link, show, and then the interface name.
Okay.
Right? Yeah, so I mean, the question is also saying that check the link status, right? So IP, link, show, and then the interface. So I can.
Hey, Dallas. Thanks. Yes, we're twinning today. Wait, twinning.
Yeah, so I would let me.
You gonna show your screen?
Yeah, I'm gonna share my screen. But go ahead.
Okay. Oh no, somebody said B and somebody said A, so I was gonna ask why. Okay. Why is it not those answers?
No problem. So let me share my screen.
Okay. Hopefully TikTok doesn't block you.
Yeah, hopefully.
Alright. As he brings are you up already? Okay. If you're not following, follow. Oh, I'm glad. Dallas has been in tech. Well, Dallas, you're not new here. You've been in tech for 25 years. Very valuable skill set. Oh, awesome. Looking at the back of the machine to see if it's blinking. Wait, which one? Oh, ACSSP. The answer was D. I think it's Alexander, right? Hello. Somebody said hello over here, but I can't see the name. Hey, Dinosaur. Danzy. Nicole. ¿Cómo está? We're speaking Spanish today. Tomorrow is Thursday, so Thursday is going to be Security Plus. Friday is Cloud Plus. Saturday is AWS Cloud Practitioner. Sunday is AZ900. Monday is A Plus. Come to A Plus. Tuesday is Network Plus. Wednesday, Linux Plus. Okay? So if you're planning on taking it, please do extra questions. The experts are in the chat.
All right. So the question was saying that. Yeah, the question is saying. The question is saying that to check the link status of the network interface name, right? ETH1, right? So, so the answer was D, right? So IP link, show. If I type ETH1, right? Press enter. Right? It will tell me that the device doesn't exist, right? Because on my system, my interface name is not called ETH1, right?
Right? TikTok does be doing that lately. All because we've been thinking. I'll be right back.
Yeah. So now let me check my interface, right? So ifconfig to see the interfaces that I have, and you see that I have ENX0, right? I don't have ETH, right? So that's why it's giving me that error, right? Or yeah, device doesn't exist. So now if I go back and then now type ENX0, and now it gives me the state or the status of my interface, right? So here it's saying that it's the interface is what is up, right?
Oh, okay. Let's work the algorithm up then, Tom.
So how do we do that though?
He said a lot of likes.
Likes? Oh, I think they said if you type something in the chat. Remember?
Wait.
I forgot. Yeah.
Hold on.
Type something in the chat.
I like this live or something like that.
Something like that.
Oh my goodness, I forgot. So somebody else do it. Hey Douglas. Oh, no, sorry, Lowell. How are you? Good morning. Good morning. Yeah, I forgot. No, I like this chat.
I love this. Something like that.
I like this live. Okay, okay. Thank you.
Is that it? Okay.
Okay, something like that. Okay, thank you. All right, so.
All right.
That was it? Okay, so the answer was D. Well, nobody sees the question anyway. But welcome in. See, the experts are in the chat, right? Every day of the week is a different certification. Curator for, oh, yeah, I thought,
I thought you knew.
I don't have no idea. I saw someone do it all the time. And it was like a couple of people that were doing it. So I don't know if there was something going on with TikTok. Because it was their regular life they do that I normally join to see. And then all of a sudden they were saying that. So anyway, nobody else will go on TikTok. But really? Seriously, I don't know if you're being serious. Bringing the terminal back and take air crack. Let's go. No, don't do it. It sounds like something that would definitely shut us down.
No, really.
Oh, really? Okay. But today, if you're new here, every day of the week is a different certification curated for people breaking newly into IT. So today is Linux Plus. Tomorrow is going to be Security Plus. A system administrator is tasked with setting up a key-based SSH authentication in which of the following locations should the administrator place the public key for the server. How? Okay, we have B.
And for those that have been here for a little while, I remember we talked about SSH-copy-ID. I think we've seen that before, right? I think the question was, how can you transfer a public key to a remote system? I think that was the question. And then it's this, and then I think /scp. Those are the two commands that you can copy, use to copy or move.
Yes, go we work onions.
Yeah, move the key to a remote system.
So let's learn. See, this is me. So, the air crack NG is used to crack wireless.
I think it's part of the
Oh, it shut up all of a sudden. I think it worked.
It did?
Yeah. It shut up all of a sudden, the viewership. Okay. Well, welcome in. Okay, now every time we come in, we're going to type in, we like this live.
Part of Kali. And yeah, I think it has a whole commands, right? Or two pertaining to these aircraft. So I think it's part of the AirMong. So AirMong NG, and then aircraft, there's a whole... Yeah, there you go. Yeah. I don't remember on top of my head, but...
Hey, Nat. Well, you can use ChatGPT on the exam. Okay, Tom says I got P... What's the answer, by the way?
The answer will be C.
C, okay. C, so they said C for sure. But, what do you call it? Tom was saying something. What does the squiggly line mean? Scott is asking.
Tilde, right? So that is the home directory. So let me... Yeah, I'm going to share my screen in a few and then see that. So anytime you type, let's say CD space tilde, which is, it's right underneath the escape key on your keyboard, right underneath, right? So that is all. You press shift and then that key, and then it'll give you a tilde, right? That little squiggly. And then that would basically take you to the home directory, right?
Okay. Tom was saying I got performance-based questions Lime this time on security plus exam yesterday. Had commands and I had to set up a password list. Really?
Okay. Wow. Okay.
Is that what they normally do?
I mean, they have the performance base, but it depends on.
And did they tell you how? If you got, they won't tell you if you got it right? But either way, you passed.
Yeah.
I'm glad. Hi, Judah. Okay, so the answer was.
It was C.
C. Yeah. Hi, welcome to my world. Also used for tilde about like
$20. But yeah, but in Linux, it takes you to home directory. I'm going to show that in a few.
Oh, somebody asked a question. Why you go? Welcome in. This is Tech Talk with Sacco. Every day of the week is a different certification. Curated for people breaking newly into IT, or if you're already in IT and plan on taking a certification, we ask that you stop on by, ask your questions, and answer the question. Jason asks, do you have to know how to code to be a system admin?
No, you. System administrator. Which, I mean, I think some job roles might require you to know some sort of scripting. Okay, yeah, some sort of scripting, but
no problem, Tom.
It depends. But I think even in information IT roles, right? I personally believe that you should know how to code in some way, shape, or form, right?
Okay.
But I mean, with this generative AI, you don't really need to remember every single thing. But
what do you call it? Judah, unfortunately, we don't do Google IT support, unfortunately.
Is it in any group?
Yeah, no, I guess she was asking if any ideas on IT support, Google IT support, unfortunately. You still need to know where, CSSP was answering the question. You still need to know what the scripts are doing, not just YOLO scripts. Exactly.
And that's what most, I mean, it's a debatable
question
issue. Yeah. But some people will be like, hey, I don't need to know, I can use chat, but you need to understand what is going on, right? And that will be the issue for AI and people coding using AI, right? There'll be a whole bunch of vulnerable applications out there, but either ways.
Okay, what was the answer though?
The answer is C.
C,
right?
Okay.
So let me explain SSH real quick, right? I think we've done that before, but so with SSH, right? If you are trying to log into a remote system, right? You have I don't want to say only two options, probably a few options.
Okay.
You can use password login, right? SSH login, or you can use SSH key, right? So instead of typing username and password to log into the remote system, you can use SSH keys, right? So what SSH key does is, on my regular laptop, right? Let's say I have a server that is in the cloud or somewhere else that I need to log in, right? Using SSH from my system. Either I type in username and password to log into that system, or I can set up SSH, right? So what I can do is I can generate SSH key, right? Which is SSH-keygen, right? That's a command to run, and it's going to give you two keys, one private and one public, right? The private to keep on your local machine. The public, you have to find a way to send it to the remote system that you're trying to log in, right? And then the two options that you have as well is to use SSH-copy-ID, which means you are copying the public key from here to the remote system, right? Or you can use SCP, right? So when it gets to the remote system, which file should it be in? Or which file do you have to save it in? And this is the file, right? Authorize _ keys, right? So let me share my screen here.
Okay, thanks CSSP for answering the night we do Kubernetes. But if you're new here, every day of the week is a different certification. Curated for people breaking newly into IT, or if you're already in IT and plan on taking a certification, we ask that you stop on by. So today is Wednesday, so Wednesdays are Linux night. Thursday, Security Plus. Friday, Cloud Plus. Saturday, AWS Cloud Practitioner. Sunday, AZ 900. Monday, CompTIA Plus. Tuesday is Network Plus, and then Wednesday, Linux Plus. So if you're not following, follow. As you can tell, there's highly educated people in the chat. Some of them's names are CSSP, and then some of them, they come incognito. So you never know who's in the chat. Long story short, if you're not following, follow and ask your questions, because there's there's no such thing as a dumb question. And credit to the person, the same person. So anyway, welcome in.
All right. So let's start with Tilda, right? So when I type cd, right? No, let me type pwd, right? Present working directory, right? So basically, it shows me where I am in the world, in my file system, right? So so now I'm in the world, in the root folder, right? That's the top folder. But if I type cd, which means change directory, right? And then I type tilde and press enter, and I type pwd again, you see that I'm in my home directory. So it doesn't matter where I am in the file system. tc slash no, that's fine. And then I type pwd, right? I'm in this specific folder, right? However, if I go back and type cd space tilde, guess what? It's going to take me back to this home folder every single time, right? So in the command, right? The command is saying that tilde. Let me do cat command to just display what is in here. I may or may not have this specific folder, but let's see. SSH file slash authorize. Okay, I don't have that. I don't have authorize. So meaning I don't have SSH installed here. So let me exit this and then try to go to my Ubuntu.
Okay. While he does that,
Ubuntu
if you're not following. Follow. Billy, you're new. Oh, wait. HTTP says congratulations on your last cert. I forgot which one it was. Billy, welcome. If you're new to Linux, I'm new too. But that's the whole point of it. So if you're planning on learning it and planning on taking the certifications, do ask your questions. Seeing that you might be new to it, probably just observe, and then plus we have full videos on YouTube. Same name right behind me. Okay, but that if you're planning on learning, I believe on Udemy, per Scholar, and all those other ones are there as well. Okay, just to get a fundamental learning. Yeah, PW is in password is print working directory.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it shows you what folder you are in.
Okay.
Right.
Scott, I knew you knew what he was talking about. I knew you knew what tilde was, but I think he was just asking.
Really?
I think he didn't know.
Okay.
I was like, he looks like he knows what tilde is.
All right. So let me try this. So on my CentOS operating system, I don't have that file, right? So let me try on this end. Tilde, hopefully I have it here. Tilde slash .ssh. I have SSH, so that is good. Slash authorize. There you go. Keys, right? So by default, these folders doesn't create by default, right? So let me press enter. So now it gives me my public key, right? So on my MacBook Pro, right, I can SSH into this machine without using password. I'm not using my MacBook Pro. I'm using my Mac Studio. So that is why I have to enter the password. Right, but if I use my MacBook, it wouldn't ask me for any password, right? Because I have the public key saved here.
Screen
right?
grab.
I mean, screen grab. This is public key, so it wouldn't make any much of use to you. Yeah, it wouldn't.
Only senseless people think this.
Yeah, it wouldn't.
Hi, Black Cat Production. Welcome in. They your fellow nerds. I'm not. I'm just here to chit chat. But welcome in. Tomorrow, if you're planning on, if you're in security and you're planning on taking the certification, 8:30 Eastern time, we are live as well. HTTP said, I got to meet people from, you got to meet people from Red Hat today. They gave me a free Red Hat that says Red Hat. Okay. Oh, awesome. I was about to say, take a picture and send it to the chat, but I don't think you can do that. Can you do that? If you can you do that?
Can you? I don't think so.
Yeah. CSSP is calling you out for your Mac Studio.
Oh.
Don't buy CSSP. He got a whole setup. I bet he got a whole setup.
Yeah, he does. All right, let's go to the next question here.
What is the... you don't have to ask CompTIA that, Eli. Is it a fedora? Oh, that would be funny. A red fedora? Eli, what's the purpose of CompTIA? What is the purpose of CompTIA?
Oh, CompTIA.
Because I'm sure Eli is asking because he or she hears it a lot.
Yeah.
And what is their purpose in the IT world?
I think that they are certification body or certification company, right?
We have to do a research on how they became so relevant in the IT world.
I mean, there are other certifications bodies out there, right? Most vendors. Oh, he did?
Yeah, he sent the picture.
Most vendors would have their own certification. Basically, a way of training the users, right? So certification would be ideal route. That basically. Oh,
that is cool. It is a fedora, isn't it?
Wow,
that's nice. Where'd you meet them? I want to meet them. That is so cool.
Those that have taken the Red Hat certification, do you guys get fedora hats or?
No, it's not a part of the budget.
That would entice me to take it.
Because you can't buy a Red Hat or stuff.
Anyways. But yeah,
AWS Summit in London. That's
okay.
awesome.
I think they have the next one in
New York.
New York, yeah. Javits Center, right?
Yeah.
Nice.
Did you finish your CompTIA proposed explanation?
No, just a certification body. I mean, I don't know.
No, that was it. I thought because I just know. All right. What was the answer for this? Oh, I didn't read it. A Linux administrator needs to create a new user named user02. However, the user02 must be in a different home directory, which is under /CompTIA/project, which are the following commands will accomplish this task. It's a / but is there a backward slash?
No. Okay. Backslash is usually for Windows.
Oh.
/ is usually for Linux and Unix.
Oh, all right, good. Because I'd be wondering. I don't know if someone want to say it wrong. Man, running a Linux tutor. Women needs to for AI and automate this live stream. Imagine, but TikTok doesn't allow. Now you can't even. Oh wait, how would you automate it? Because now TikTok, you have to even when we're here and we don't move a lot, it comes up. Yeah. It comes up and says that we need to move or something of that sort. I don't know. Yeah, after they bought it, or sold it, I should say. Okay, we have A. Hal, are you saying A? I think he is saying A. Okay, we have A. Any other takers? Okay, we have B. Claude coworker with a fan. Coworker with a fan. Claude does that, right? You were telling me about that coworker stuff. Okay, Claude is awesome. Yeah, Claude is awesome. All right, what's the answer?
The answer would be that would be A.
I don't know if they were bought by Oracle. Do we know what bought TikTok?
TikTok? I'm not sure.
Yeah, I don't know.
I'm not sure.
I'm gonna have to look into it because I know they were saying Amazon was gonna do it, then it was here, then it was there.
And
I stopped following up.
Yeah, I know why you said Oracle because most people said if you block Oracle, your views will go up and all that. So
interesting.
Yeah, but I don't know.
We haven't blocked them yet. TikTok is used based in Oracle's data centers.
Okay.
Interesting. I'm gonna try blocking them and see if it works. Okay, what's the answer?
All right, the answer is A.
A? Okay.
Right. So now the question is saying, to create
Hey, Manuel, where you been? Sorry.
A new user, right? Okay, so now, however, the user must be in a different home directory, right? Remember when I typed tilde, which is this, right? It will take you to the home directory. And then usually the home directory is always /home/ the name of the user. That is by default, right? So now -D would allow you to define a whole new folder, right, for this specific user, right?
Okay.
I know someone said -M. So -M would create the home folder if it does not exist, right? So technically, this command here is wrong, right? The -M doesn't accept any option, right?
Okay.
It's a standalone flag or option.
Okay, so right. M would be if it was new. That was what Scott was saying.
Yeah, and basically what it does is it would create the home folder if it doesn't exist. That is it. That's the whole point of -m.
Okay. So -d was the answer. M -m for that for makeup. Emmanuel said -d. Yes, D was the answer for the direct path. Okay, all TikTok's databases are data in Oracle data centers for the U.S. users.
Okay.
This is the information you get when you join in Simply Cyber.
Right, every day.
Every weekday at 8 a.m. Eastern Time on YouTube. Okay. Okay, -d. All right, the answer was -d. But welcome in. This is TikTok Women's Talk. Every day of the week is a different certification. Curated for people breaking newly into IT. Or if you're already in IT and you're planning on taking a certification, we ask that you stop on by, ask your questions, and answer the questions as well. They are highly educated people in the chat, so there's really no such thing as a dumb questions, according to the guy with the CSP in the chat. So make sure you do ask your questions. All I ask is that you're respectful to the people in the chat and to us here. Other than that, I will block you. But I don't want to. So welcome in. If you're not following, follow. This is Raymond. That's all his certifications up there. Over 30 plus certification, including all his AWS certifications and the CISSP. Okay. Somebody said GDR. Oh.
Okay. Is it okay? I guess that's the reason why they have it in the US. No. Is that it?
No, was it? That was a whole debate.
HTTP. Oh, okay.
Okay, hold on. My nose. A system administrator created a new Docker image called test. After building the image, the administrator forgot to version the release.
I think it should be version. Where is it?
Forgot to version the release.
Version, yeah.
Oh, okay. The verbiage sounds weird to me. Which of the following will allow the administrator to assign the V1 version to the image? I was going to do something. I forgot what I was going to do. Oh, I remember now. Okay, hopefully I remember to do it later. Okay. All right. Okay, so what's any takers for this one? Wait. Okay, we have A, we have D. I know I'm European, or I have my yes, because HTTP is in London.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So HAL, I think it was the previous question. Okay, so it said
HAL. What did HAL say?
Yeah. So if you had to do this as a full command, would it have been user add -m-d? No, you don't have to add the -m if you are using the -d. Yeah, you don't have to.
What was the answer?
What did we get? We didn't get any answer.
We have A, we have D. So Hal is saying if you had to create a directory first, would that be what you had to do?
If you had to create a directory first,
would it have been the dash this dash that?
Let me actually run the command and see. Create a user.
He's gonna run it for
let's
you.
do.
But before you do that, can you tell us the answer for this one?
So that would be C.
C? Oh, we didn't get no
tag. Yeah, tag.
Can you explain? Because there was a D and an A.
Yeah. So with Docker, right? There's you have option to create different versions, right?
Okay.
So I mean, version is one of the ideal things that you have to do in IT or probably in development, right? Anytime you make changes, you don't want the changes to override the previous one, right? Okay. So now you have to create different versions of the changes, right? So with Docker container, if you make changes to the container and you push it to Docker Hub, you have to make sure that it has a new tag, right? So that it can keep track of the versions. So in order for you to version a specific image, you have to use the tag, right? So you are tagging this image with the V1.
Okay.
Right. So yeah, that is it. Build. So image build is going to build the image, right? It wouldn't tag it or wouldn't use this as a version name. Image version, it's not a command.
Oh, it's not.
Right, it's not a command.
Okay.
Yeah.
Rocky
Okay.
Oh, cool. All right, wait. You have to answer how the
Yes.
direct.
All right. So let's do that.
Okay.
Let's take a few minutes and do that. So I'm gonna share my screen here again.
Docker Compose.
So this
Welcome
is
in,
user,
Yerger. Is Docker a container?
Yeah.
It's a container. Is it a type of container? Or is it the container?
Because container is a generic name.
Okay.
Right? Docker is a container technology. So you have Docker, we have Podman. And then
that's my favorite.
Yeah.
Even though I don't know what it does, but
so let me hold on. So this
all right. He's about to show somebody in the chat a question that they asked.
So let's do the entire thing.
Which one? This was the previous question, though.
Yeah, previous question.
Okay, we're gonna go back to the previous question.
Yeah.
The answer was, what's the answer again? It was C.
One tag, yeah.
It was C. AIAHMOT.
All right. So the previous question was saying that you are creating
CSSP.
a user. Let me see.
You're bad for what? How?
LS.
You know, Raymond thought he's over explaining.
LS.
Okay, Emmanuel is saying, does B create an image called test v1, or does it create an image called test and give the VR?
Does B create an image called test one, or does it create an image called image build? So that will be with the build command, Docker image build, and then after that will be the name of the image, right? So let's do Docker image.
Live performances.
So let's see.
Wait, did you answer, Emmanuel?
Yeah, it's so after the image name, so Docker image build, it will be the name of the image that you want to build. So it wouldn't be a version.
Okay, he's saying.
So it's going to assign the entire whatever comes after as the image, right? So yeah, let me.
Let me. But GDP.
Alright, so let's do cd tilde and then go to the home directory ls.
Okay.
And then let's do nano.
Welcome in.
xt.
Probably wonder what's happening.
Nano,
Today is Linux Plus. Every day of the week is a different certification, so it's curated for people breaking newly into IT. So if you are planning on taking a certification, we ask that you stop on by, ask your questions, and answer the questions. And if you're not following, please do follow. Tomorrow, 8:30 Eastern Time, is going to be Security Plus. Friday is Cloud Plus. Saturday is AWS Cloud Practitioner. Sunday is AZ 900. So again, if you're planning on taking any of those certifications, do stop on by.
All right, so this is the question, right? So let me actually see how many users I have on my system. So cat /etc/passwd. Alright, so these are all the users that I have. Some are system users, but that is fine. Usually it starts from here all the way down, right? So I have all these users in my system, test1, test2, right? And then now you see that they all have home directories, right? Which is home / the username, right? They all have that, right? So if I now go to cd / home and I type ls, you see all the users that I have here, right? So your question was cat. So that would be in tilde. Okay. So yeah, so your question is if you want to create a user, since -d would specify what the directory of the folder, and -m would tell the command to create the home directory if it doesn't exist. So your question is saying that we should add both commands, right? So which is -m -d, right? That's what you're saying, right? Just to confirm.
That was how.
How, right? So let me press enter and see.
I'm hoping you don't lose how, because it was.
Sudo. You know, let me take the m out. Let me take the m out, and then let's do sudo and press enter. So I'm going to just run the command without the -m. Right?
Okay, how is the
Press enter. Okay.
Just DM me. How is it with -md work? Is that a command?
That is what she's. Yeah, I mean that's what yeah, she was saying.
Okay.
So I didn't add the word -m. I didn't add. Hold on, I think have to redo this.
Okay.
I'm going to delete this here and then bring it back real quick.
Well, it looks like it was pixelated. Welcome in.
It was?
I don't know. It's probably me. Hey,
Pixelating.
Kevin. Oh, okay. Use Control A to move to the beginning of the line, Prof.
Okay. So now I did what? -d without the m, right?
Okay.
So let me go back to
Thanks for the tip.
ls/home, and let's see.
How are you?
Let's see, we have a home directory for user 2, right? Press enter. We don't have any home directory for user 2. However, let's see if this was created, right? So let's do cd /com. Alright, so it didn't create that. It didn't create that directory. Alright, so now let's go back again.
I have no idea what we're doing.
And let's do -m -d, right? And then let's do user 3. User 3 right here.
Oh, how is saying or like if it made it by default. You don't have to specify. I'm trying to keep up with I'm sorry, the day that I understand Linux, you will not hear the end of me.
Okay, so it says
I don't know what that day will be though.
no file or directory. Alright. So
Good top, welcome.
No, okay. So yeah, so even with -m -d, right, doesn't work. So now let's try this one more time.
Okay.
Let's create the directory first.
Have you used Genta?
Gento, which one is that?
Having driver issues. Oh, I don't know what that means.
mkdir.
Same, I failed my first Linux test and I had to take it again. I couldn't tell you a single thing. At least you took the class. In college, I took this class. What was it?
Okay.
Oh man, Raymond couldn't the enemy with this class.
Which one is that?
Was that genetic class where? Do you remember?
I don't remember.
Oh man, I hated that class so bad.
mkdir make directory. Why is it giving
Scott says sudo?
Oh, okay. Sorry. Why is it giving? No, it's still doing the same thing. mkdir. Am I missing any command?
Is he missing a command?
mk to create a folder in this directory. So why is it saying?
Yeah. So you might as well say it doesn't see the. So no, you didn't miss a command.
Yeah.
Directory exists. Remove the slash.
No. If I remove the slash, then it's going to create the file in my current directory. I don't want that.
It says already. It already exists. So it's the same name. It's your account.
Let's do.
Hi, Henry.
cd into what /CompTIA. Okay. So I'm CompTIA / right. Okay, so it already exists.
Thank you guys.
Okay, so it exists. Okay, all right. All right. So now
I knew.
let me see.
You knew what tilde was.
Let's do cat and let's see if we already have the user created as well. So
Spencer's saying if it already exists, you need to CD into it.
Yeah, I don't want to CD into it yet. P pass WD.
This is all because of Hal, by the way.
Alright, so let's see. Okay, right here. So
thanks, guys.
oh, okay. So remember, user 2. Yeah, it still created the home directory without the -m.
Don't be sorry.
Yeah, so it did create the home directory without -m. Yeah, let me try one more time.
Wait, so all of this, so does that mean that you could double it up, or you can't double it up?
No, you can't double it
Okay,
up. So let me change that and make it.
I'm sorry, you said you can or can't?
No, cannot.
Oh, you cannot. Okay.
Let's try. All right, let's try user 4. Let me just validate that real quick, and then let's do project 1.
Hey, David, do you
see.
guys practice base questions?
Okay.
For A plus network plus equilibrium, or just a multiple choice? So the performance base you're asking, is this the performance base, David?
All right, so it would create that. All right, let's try one more time, and let me add 5, and then let me try to do the -m as well and see, just to validate.
So we tried the performance base the last time, right? It was a little bit hard to maneuver. So we're going to try it again. We're probably going to practice a little bit here to figure out how it's going to work to the general audience.
It did work. So you can use either or. You can use either or.
You're going to make 100 losers.
Yeah. So is it HAL or?
HAL.
Yeah, you can use -m-d or just -d.
Okay.
It's still going to work.
Yeah, seriously, it would have to be 1,000 users to figure out what he's going to do.
So I hope that helps.
Yeah, okay. Lowercase, Linux to the yes. This is one I got to work on. Oh, you're working on Linux, Kali Linux style personally. Yeah, isn't that what you use?
Which one?
You use Kali?
Yeah, I have Kali, I have Ubuntu, I have
all right, well,
Red
hey
Hat,
DRMP, how are you?
Alright, so let's go to the next question.
Yeah, we've been on one question for quite a while. But the answer for this, for the people that came in, what was the previous one?
Control C. Tag.
It was C.
Yeah, tag. So if you want to version a specific image, you use tag, right? Image version doesn't exist, right? So.
All right. ELTECO, is there any CompTIA that offers quality assurance? Any CompTIA exam?
Oh.
The Office for Quality Assurance?
I don't think so. I haven't seen anything.
I would say I was going to Google it for you real quick.
I'll probably have to look it up.
Look into it? Okay.
Yeah. I'll have to look it up.
But if it's not popular, is there another exam body that covers quality assurance? Because I wouldn't know why you want to do CompTIA if there's another bigger, it's like people are saying Google Cloud, and it seems like the other cloud agents are better.
I mean, no one said it's better, but
it's what you guys say. I don't know. I assumed. Okay.
Yeah. So I think the Google Cloud certification that you're talking about is just.
Hi, Samuel.
I think it's just base IT knowledge.
Oh,
right?
okay.
So I didn't think it dived into Google Cloud that much.
Okay. I digress.
Yeah. I think so. Right.
Okay. But quality assurance, he's gonna look it up and let you know. I don't know when though. Probably tomorrow.
Yeah, quality assurance. Yeah, I'm not too sure. I'm not sure if anyone else.
Does anybody else know?
Yeah.
I'm sorry, I didn't ask the chat.
Certification specifically for
quality
assurance.
Wow.
Quality chat.
Welcome in. This is Tech Talk with Masako. Every day of the week is a different certification created for people breaking newly into IT. Or if you're in IT already and planning on taking a certification, we ask that you stop on by, ask your questions, and answer the questions. Today is what is today? Linux Plus. Thursday, Security Plus. Friday, Cloud Plus. Saturday, AWS Cloud Practitioner. Sunday, AZ 900. Monday, CompTIA A Plus. Tuesday, the question didn't change. Tuesday.
Oh, that is why.
Yeah, I was like, what's going on? Yeah. Tuesday, Network Plus. Wednesday, Linux Plus. I'm saying it over again on autopilot. But long story short, if you're not following, follow. If when you do come on in, please be respectful to the people in the chat and to us here, because there's highly educated people in the chat. You never know who's in the chat. I shall not mention.
CTOs,
there's some sweet people here. I shall not mention names. But
start with C.
but long story short, they're highly educated. So do extra questions. Oh, you want some water?
I'm okay.
Oof, yeah, the allergy season is here full force. Or is that a question? All right.
Yeah.
A Linux system administrator receives a notification that one of the server's file system is full, which of the following commands would help the administrator to identify this file system.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, really? Okay.
But hold on, CISSP, is that, I don't think that is quality assurance.
Then what is it?
Is it quality assurance?
Or quality what?
Yeah.
Isaka has a CISA that's close as it's as
Close.
close
Oh,
as you can get.
Okay.
He didn't read the question. He didn't read the statement.
Yeah.
It's as close as you can get to the quality assurance cert. So now, if it's close to it, right? What if the person get that certification and they put it on their resume? Would it be recognized for a quality assurance job?
That I don't know.
Okay, because I'm curious about that too.
Yeah.
Just for people that are in different type of stuff as well, and they want to take the closest one. Don is asking, can I get straight into cloud administrator job without experience with on-prem system admin?
Yeah, I personally recommend having some sort of on-prem experience before you move to the cloud, right? Yeah, the cloud is basically whatever is on-prem is the same. I mean, similar thing that is in the cloud. So you should have some sort of knowledge of these on-prem technologies, right, before you dive into a cloud. But I've seen people just diving into a cloud. But yeah, that is my what do you say it? 2 cents or?
Oh, that's his 2 cents. Yeah,
anyways.
okay. What's the answer? Hi, Vietnam. How are you? What's the answer? So we have C, and we have, which one is DF? Okay, C,
Mm-hmm.
C. DF wouldn't that get you to help commands? I thought.
Hold on. So that is a good question that you brought up.
Okay.
So the answer is C.
C.
By the way, right? C.
Okay.
So now sometimes I'm not sure if you've realized this.
Who, me?
Yeah. Anyways, but
That's funny.
When we started, right, I usually say that, hey, use the man command or the help command to
Yes, I
view
do
command,
remember
right?
that. Uh-huh.
But sometimes if I type, let's say, ls-h, it will say command not exist or something,
Okay.
right? Meaning the -h has been used for something else. So I can't use it anymore. So now I have to use --what? Help,
Okay.
right? So in this instance, this is not help, right? It's human readable.
Yeah, LE.
Right? So -h here as well, human readable. It's not help. Right? It's a little confusing.
So what do you mean is being used?
So meaning, remember, when you type any command and then you add --help, it will give you the help page, right? However, you can use the single hyphen. So instead of dash, you can just use single hyphen and then just the first abbreviation of the word. Help.
Okay.
So -h technically should be help, right? However, some of the commands already have their own predefined options.
Already
right?
in it.
Exactly.
Okay.
So sometimes -h would work, sometimes -h wouldn't work, meaning you should know that the command that you're trying to type already have -h being used somewhere else.
Okay. So now does it the distro matters into what you can use?
No, the distribution doesn't matter. The command, they have the same syntax. So if you have any distribution and you are using Nmap, the Nmap option flag or switches will be the same as well. Using it in CentOS or Kali or any other distribution.
Okay,
right?
good.
So yeah, so keep that in mind. The -h for DF specifically is human readable, right?
Okay.
And I think even ls, -halty, ti, my favorite command, right? The h here is not what? It's not help, right? So if you type ls, sleepy, you sleepy.
I'm not sleepy.
Anyway, so the ls-h is not help in ls, right? It's human readable, right? So make it in such a way that it's readable for humans, right? So yeah, so if you want to find the help command for ls, you have to type dash or hyphen help. right?
Yeah, he's excited. I'm just sleepy. You know, we're
Anyway.
sometimes, you know, how says does so it does so does DF so does DF stand for disk format? I know Linux commands are pretty straightforward.
Disk free.
Disk
Disk
free.
free.
What is the difference between disk free and disk format? Disk.
I don't see any.
Oh, so I don't know. I just thought
DF
that
is disk free.
okay,
Right?
okay.
I'm not sure if it's just disk free because sometimes they can represent the D with something else. But
Okay.
what I've known is disk free, right? So let's run. So it will be C, right? It will be C.
Oh, okay. Sometimes the CSSP is saying that -H is used a switch and not help.
Switch.
Is used a switch
Not help.
and not help.
Okay.
Used a switch.
Saying that -H use a switch
Says,
and not help.
CSSP, can you clarify that? I'm not sure if there was like a typo.
So let's see.
Oh, -H is a switch.
Yeah, it's a switch.
Okay,
yeah.
okay, and not help.
Not
Got
help.
it. Okay, he said so you could say it like that. That make
I
it
mean,
easy.
so hold on.
I'm glad Scott is gonna remember what you just said with the tilde. No, not the tilde. -- help and all
Of
that.
course you remember.
Oh, he's just saying he's gonna remember.
I'm just saying. If I took my time, you would remember.
Oh, okay.
If you don't want to.
You hear the
Anyways.
excitement in his voice when he was explaining. And then I'm glad you asked that.
All right. What's the name? So CSSP, you said -H, right? It's it's a switch. All right. Anyways.
This is the size of the storage disk free. Oh, okay. Disk or
free.
drive.
Drive free. Okay.
Disk or drive free.
Right, so
and then
yeah, sometimes it's
H
used
is a switch.
interchangeably.
Anything is a switch.
Right? And then DU is, I think it's disk usage or drive usage, right? All right, good. So let's try the command real quick, right?
The answer was C.
Yeah, was C. Let's bring this up.
Rodriguez,
and,
86.
Oh, okay. It's at the bottom. All right.
Welcome in. Tomorrow, 8:30 Eastern Time is going to be Thursday, Security Plus. Fridays, Cloud Plus. Saturdays, AWS Cloud Practitioner. Sundays, AZ 900. Mondays, CompTIA Plus. Tuesdays, Lightwork Plus. Wednesday, again, is Linux Plus. The idea is that if you're planning on taking any of the certifications, stop on by. It's supposed to be like a study room. Stop on by, ask your questions, and answer the questions as well. As you can tell, there's highly educated people in the chat, some experts, some newbies like me. We're all here to learn. Not me, but not Linux yet. But yeah. So if you're planning on taking also, the full video will be on YouTube. Please don't hesitate to ask your questions. Okay, don't leave here, spend your whole time here, and do not ask your questions and feeling like it's a dumb question. It's not. I'll ask the dumb questions for you.
Okay. welcome. All right. So this is what the DF-H, right? So it gives you the human readable. So the question was saying that a specific file system is full, right? So the DF command will give you the list of file systems, and then the usage, the size, the usage, the percentage as well, right? So this will be and then the mount point, right? So the DF-H will be the command to use. So if I type DF -help, right? It gives you the help command, right? Or the help page. And then let's do D. So the next one is DU, right? Disk usage. DU-AH. Let's try that, right? So it just gives you the disk usage, right? So it's giving a lot of stuff here, but it doesn't say anything about what the file system, right? Yeah. So some might say that someone might say DU, right? But the DU doesn't tell you what the file system, right? The only one that tells you the file system is the DF, disk free, right?
House is something. I don't know what that means. I wasn't going to pronounce it.
Oh, what's that? I don't know what that is.
What is that word?
Yeah, I don't know.
I was gonna,
I have no idea.
copy and Google it. Scott said dumb questions are not asked. Yes, Space said the same thing too. The dumb questions are the ones that you do not ask.
All right. So,
educated. Okay, because I was trying to figure out if it's
yeah, because you never know. It might be an acronym somewhere.
For something,
yeah.
I didn't want to get it wrong. So I was like, I don't think I read this word before ever.
All right, let's do.
Welcome
let's go to the
in.
next question.
Hi, PhD. Today's Linux Day. Tomorrow, Thursday, is Cloud Day. Saturday is AWS Cloud
Tomorrow?
Practitioner.
Oh, tomorrow?
Wait, tomorrow's Thursday.
Security.
Security Plus.
How can you
Friday.
forget security?
Education. Educating.
Oh, okay.
Or here.
Education.
Education. Wow, CSSP. I think you kind of dated yourself for this one.
Anyways.
An educated way to oh, right. If you don't ask the question, educated way to, yeah. A Linux administrator. Oh, so if you're not following, follow. Tomorrow, Thursday, is going to be Security Plus. Friday, Cloud Plus. Saturday, AWS Cloud Practitioner. Sunday, AZ900. Monday, CompTIA Plus. Tuesday, Network Plus. Again, please don't hesitate to ask your questions. It's just supposed to be a study room. You're kind of safe here. Occasionally, there's some people that come here, but you're safe.
Which people?
The people that don't want to learn and just,
we just block them.
Yeah, I'm really quick with my blocking game. And the chat is highly educated, you could tell. A Linux administrator has been tasked with installing the most recent version of packages on an RPM based OS. Which of the following command will accomplish this task? Somebody said something about OS before.
Okay.
Yeah, I saw the question. I said I was going to say it and then I forgot. No, this is probably like the fourth question, PhD.
Oh, it wasn't fourth.
Oh, they can't see the question. Oh, thank you.
Yeah, you're right. Should be checking this one.
Yeah, we should.
All right.
He's bringing it right back up. So this was like the third or fourth question because Hal asked a question and then Raymond went down a rabbit hole. And then
don't blame Hal.
No, I'm not blaming Hal at all. Because like I said, Raymond thrives.
Which OS use tree command? Oh,
thrives and over explaining.
Tree. I think Windows. I mean, it's running on Linux now. I think Windows also have tree command, but yeah, they have to basically list all the files and its subfolders. Oh, sorry, all the folders and its subfolders. I think Windows have a version as well. Yeah.
Yeah. CSSP confirmed that they do have it as well. I think it's 8. Okay, so David was asking if we could do. Oh God, that took me off guard. Windows sucks. How's your project going? Oh God, I forgot to ask. Also, David was saying that we should try to do more performance-based questions, and I was telling him that. We have tried, but we still have to figure out how to make it work. Because I get where they're going. Because if we're doing the exam prep and it's going to be performance-based questions, then we should figure out how to.
Yeah, that is true. Yeah, because each time we try to share our screen,
TikTok
something like violation of something. I don't know.
So we're trying to figure it out.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Did I read it? I read it already, right? Oh yeah, I did read it. Okay, what's the answer? Scott is saying A is the answer.
The answer would be actually.
Why so many answers? Are we choosing 2?
D.
Oh, D. Okay.
D. Right.
Oh.
D.
Did anybody say D? I didn't see. Oh, you're gonna have to explain this one. Yeah, violations for performance because you have to like do the little drag and drop and show it.
Yeah.
Yesterday, the past 2 days, they've been giving us violations.
Yeah. So yeah, it's D, right? It's D.
Can you explain?
DNF. I think I forgot. I don't remember right now.
On top of it.
Dumnified.
Oh, Dundified.
Dundified.
I don't remember the rest.
I forgot.
Dundified something. I remember the.
I think someone might know in the chat though. But yeah, Dundified.
Oh, but somebody else is wondering though.
Yeah. So now we can.
Doing here?
Okay. So what does A do? Okay, no problem. So the question is saying that the administrator needs to install most recent version of a package, right? Identify YAM. Okay, all right. On an RPM based OS, right? Which is Red Hat Package Manager, right? So all these commands are for package managers, right? So basically, if you don't know what package manager is, it's basically a program that helps you install, update, remove packages, right? Or I don't want to say applications, right? But yeah, those are the tool that helps you with that, right? However, if you are a Red Hat based system, which is CentOS, Red Hat, right? I think Fedora as well, right? Those are all Red Hat based Linux distro, right? So so we have Red Hat and then Debian. So with the first one, no, let's start with
CSP
this
just
one.
said something.
So RPM is what? RPM based, right? Based. Okay.
You can check
And then-
Red Hat like HTTP. Okay, I was gonna show the hat again.
and then
HTTP got a hat.
and then Yum is also RPM. Is it being used on Debian? I'll probably have to double check that. DNF is also RPM. It's also RPM, right? So, but the apt get is for what? Debian base. Debian.
DEBIAN, I think.
Debian
No, I think it's DE.
based. DE. Okay. Debian based. Right? So your Ubuntu's, your which one else? Ubuntu, a few of them, right? So this will be out of the equation because the question specifically said what? RPM based, right? So yeah, and I've also realized that they try to test you to see if you know which one is for what. It's not on. Okay, all right, thanks. So it's just RPM. Right?
So Yum is not.
It's not Debian based.
Okay.
Yeah. So they try to test you on if you know which one is for RPM based and which one is Debian based, right? They try to test on that one as well, right? So if you want to take the exams, keep that in mind as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Mariana was saying I would want to check what is the latest update in my opinion. But then you said something and then Mariana said okay. And then CSP answered a question. APT gets download, doesn't install it.
APT update download doesn't install it. Okay.
And then Diango said something as well. Linux distro, right? And then I believe you said Linux distro. Apologies, I'm trying to keep up with the chat. Okay, and it says RPM/yum or Red Hat /CentOS/Fedora. APT's installs. installs.
Okay.
All right. I think I got everything. If I didn't read your question, please bring it back. Sorry, or I didn't. If you didn't get an answer, I should say. From anybody in the chat.
That makes sense.
I think they got it because they were agreeing to it.
All right. So
See, it was me. Welcome. Was that the last? We've been an hour.
Yeah, been an hour.
Was that the last question? You didn't say it was the last question. So you
Yeah,
probably
let
should
me add
one.
one more. Let me add one more.
This is the last question. But welcome in. This is TikTok Women Sakura. Every day of the week is a different explanation. Wow. No, because how says explains.
Okay.
Explains why I don't know this. Most of my limited knowledge goes to Kali.
Kali, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, Kali. Okay. All right.
So then, how does one merge the different distros?
I think it's if you know Kali, it's easy for you to know the other distro as well, right?
Okay.
However, if you take the CompTIA Linux Plus, guess what? It gives you both now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So in this essence for how does pass next time?
I mean, if you're into a job role that just use Kali Linux, then you're fine, right?
What would it for practice wise?
Oh, practice wise, I mean,
just to get their hands in there.
Yeah, I would. I mean, I don't have to say. I don't want to say start learning the entire thing from scratch, but
I mean, why not? If you have time, do you have time?
No, but however, I think you can do. What's the name? It's not capture the file. The other one.
Hack the box.
Hack the box, and then what's the other one? Hack the box.
It was something the box too.
Yeah. So yeah, you can try those two. They have those Linux. Try hack me, yes, right. Those Linux rooms, right? So you can try them.
Yeah.
Right?
Hopefully we
help. Actually, I mean, from my experience, I think Red Hat is actually the most used distribution out there.
I was trying to sneak it on y'all.
Anyway,
Okay, I think that's the last question.
think,
No, it's not
good
you.
night, everyone. See you
No,
tomorrow.
don't do
You
that.
sure?
You have to finish.
Okay.
Oh, so you said something. Yes, you said.
Oh,
no
the
way.
Red Hat. You said no way.
Which one?
Yeah, I think Red Hat is.
But welcome in, as they discuss. This is Tech Talk with Soccer. Every day of the week is a different certification curated for people breaking newly into IT. Today is push. Which one is push?
The answer.
Oh,
Did you read?
No, I didn't. I'm here. I'm like, people are saying push. I'm like, is this another distribution? Oh, okay. Let me read the question. All right, let me read the question. If you're not following, follow. Okay, tomorrow 8:30 Eastern time is going to be Security Plus. A Linux administrator copied a Git repository locally, created a featured branch, and committed some changes to the feature branch. Which are the following Git actions should the Linux administrator use to publish the changes to the main branch of the remote repository? Push. Everybody's saying push. So we're pushing. I don't think I've ever met a Red Hat SME.
Yeah, I think that Red Hat is one of the most valued Linux certification in the market.
Is it?
Oh yeah.
He's trying to be like, yeah, I've been in the market.
No, true.
Wow.
It is. Trust me. Yeah, if you get the R Red Hat certified system administrator or the engineer, yeah, it's very good. Trust me. It is. Yep. It is. Hands down.
Michael is
I haven't seen a Linux Jabber that says that, hey, you need Ubuntu certification. Is there Ubuntu certification? Right. But yeah, Red Hat, it is.
The politics behind it.
Yep,
I agree.
It is. Yeah,
it's
trust
an
me.
enterprise.
So
that's why they have the
please,
support.
if you want to dive into any Linux, as a Linux administrator, try Red Hat.
Go the Red Hat route.
Yep.
Is the answer push?
Yep, it is push. Right, it is push.
And then Michael says git -a, then git commit insert, then git push.
Okay. So yeah, git -a. So git hold on. Git command insert comment. Okay.
Commit.
Commit. Okay. Oh, you do git -a, which is okay. Why? Git comment. Which one's a -a? Yeah, which one's a -a?
We can use Ubuntu for free and get LTS. What is LTS?
Long-term support. Yeah.
Oh,
so that there's, and then that's what someone mentioned the other time. Ubuntu also have their some sort of support, enterprise support as well. Yeah.
Michael brought up a good point. He's saying Red Hat is 10 times better than Linux. Linux Plus is more of an HR certification. Agreed. Just to check the box for the HR. Push to publish, kind of like the TCP flag. No, that's how talking.
Okay.
That wasn't.
So push to publish.
Question mark.
Kind of TCP flag. Oh, I don't get a TCP flag
I think
mapping.
all right. I'm confused with the situation because I don't know what I'm talking about this one. Michael, all the CompTIA certs are all right.
Yeah, it is. Right?
Yeah. Create a PR.
Pull request. Yep. Pull request.
Let's get we're going down. I've been over the acronyms.
Yeah. All right. I think that is it.
Was it there?
Any other questions? If not, then
I was waiting for Michael to finish. But the answer was push. Okay, Network Plus, Security Plus are more than HR certs. Granted, they are stronger technically. They aren't as weak. Oh wait, so are you saying that Linux is weak?
No, it's not.
But you're just saying they're HR.
Okay, so I think someone said it's HR specifically, but they said no, it's not. It gives you more knowledge than HR.
Yeah. Okay.
But yeah, I mean, as the experienced people, yeah, they already have the experience, so they don't really need all that, right? But as a beginner, it gives you a strong understanding of Linux and IT in general, right?
Amir is giving you what the -a means. -a states all changes in the entire repo, not just the directory you're in.
Okay. So I usually use git. I use the dot or the period, right? So basically my current directory, and most of the time if I'm making changes, I just make changes on that specific directory, and then so get that to use that specific directory that I'm working in. But yeah.
And HR cert is just certification that isn't as strong technically, yet HR is obsessed with it.
Yeah,
because they don't get Raymond started on HR, okay? Raymond has an issue with HR, so if you work with HR here.
Yeah. So and I don't get why, especially the experienced people say certification is not needed, right? You have to know how the system works. HR needs those certifications, so take it, right? Since you are up there, don't discourage people from taking the certification. It's a waste of money, but HR is requiring it. So what do, right?
And that's the tech talk for the day.
All right.
but again, because if somebody's already up there, they don't need. I don't think
so. Don't discourage people that are starting.
That's what TikTok do, right? People come here on TikTok and just spit fat.
Yeah.
You can get into what do you call it? You can get into IT in 5 days, in a week. Be a cybersecurity. And I haven't seen that person in quite a while. Those guy going viral for quite a while. Yes, it's CSP. I'm telling you, Raymond's gonna be the type. You all go. You both gonna be in school in your 80s. I don't know if you're ever gonna retire. Yeah. But yeah. But anyway, so tomorrow, 8:30 Eastern time is going to be Security Plus, and then Friday Cloud Plus.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
It is. That's the keyword, right? They keep changing.
Yeah.
They keep changing. So yeah. So for those that want to get into IT, if you are not ready to make learning a lifelong journey, don't get into it.
That's why I'm not getting into it.
Yeah, you'll be discouraged, right? So yeah.
Because now AI is here, and now people have to learn AI.
It keeps changing every single
and then something else is gonna come.
Yeah.
Yes, I don't code, but I love Claude. They should hire me. I love Claude. Right. Hopefully this going by this discussion, all my certs are HR.
Yeah, that is it, right? It might not be useful, but they require it. So what do you do, right?
Cybersecurity in a retirement village. I guess you guys are all gonna be in the same village. Working for the what do you call it? That is going to be one highly educated village.
right.
It's gonna be this Silicon Valley for retirement. You're just interested in SOC analysts, but you can't just be interested in just that, right? Would it be what would be how do you improve in that?
So yeah,
how does one improve in that analyst? So say that they just want to focus on SOC analysts alone, right? Mm-hmm. How do you keep improving to stay relevant in the job market? And pen tester too. I remember PG said he could do pen testing with their eyes closed.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, with how do you improve or how do you get there?
How do you stay relevant while you're in it?
So I mean, even with the SOC analyst, right? I mean, I personally believe that it's an entry level to cybersecurity, right? Mm-hmm. So cybersecurity is a whole broad field, right? Mm-hmm. So once you enter into SOC analyst, you can branch into pen testing if you want to, branch into security engineering, which basically the team the team that build those or integrate those SIM and SAW tools, right? So those that build those two, which is the security engineering that the SOC analyst will uses, right? So since you have the front end use case of how to use all these tools, it will be ideal to go to a security engineering to implement those tools, right? So yeah, you can do that.
Zoro-san, the answer was D. We were just finished up, so we're just chatting. Michael saying I need a job to pay for the GIAC certs for me. Those are the expensive ones.
Exactly.
Yeah? Those ones
10,000 straight up.
10,000.
Yeah, 9,000 and change straight up, and then it's like 5 day or 4 days training session.
And they expect you to pass.
Yeah.
Wow. That is pricey.
Yeah.
For you to say that means your job is not hard for you. I know, 10,000 for a certification.
Oh yeah, 10,000, and then you can't just.
As you could tell, he's looked into it.
You can't just go to Udemy and then just. I don't think even they authorize Udemy to teach. No.
Oh,
no,
really? So they have to have their own people come teach you. Oh.
Yep.
Interesting. Okay. Holiness is saying that SOC analyst gives you a broad perspective.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it says we say HD entry into IT SOC and then entry into CS. It's cybersecurity. I knew what that meant.
was saying computer science, but
oh, was it? And then Michael saying my tree/path is network plus to security plus to CYSA to EJ. What is
which
that?
is a pen test.
Oh, pen test. Oh, to OS.
And Red Hat, yeah. Oh, HR love Red Hat.
The HR cert.
Yep, they love it.
Good. So which one? So I know you said you've done network plus, you've done security plus. Oh my God. Plus.
Someone needs to sleep.
I do need to sleep. Which one is next for you? Okay.
Yeah, that's a good part. That's a really good part. Yeah. Nice.
You go ahead, Michael. Okay. Get the big money.
Or you can even squeeze pen test in between the security or the CYSA.
Okay. Thoughts on the IAM as a career at the Big Four? That's a very targeted question.
Yeah, no. IAM, I think IAM is one of the highly sought after skills, right? And especially with this zero trust, right? Instead of the firewall being the edge of the network that you protect, now the users are the edge, right? So.
But why specifically the Big Four?
Why specifically?
There's no other ones that do it?
No, they do.
And do they pay better at the Big Four? Is that why?
I'm not sure. I'm not sure.
Or is it just like, just a thing for you to work into one of them?
Oh, is it
everybody has to like me? That's what I'm saying. It was targeted.
Okay.
So,
probably just
yeah. CSP says CHE is trash and definitely an HR certification.
No, it is.
For sure.
Yeah, it is.
And then Michael saying, next is CYSA. I graduated with my cybersecurity in 9 days. Oh, nice. Your bachelor's in cyber. Congratulations. Nice. Okay. Michael, you're so young. Good for you. The sky is the limit.
How
Go ahead.
He's young.
I'm sorry. I just assumed. I did assume because you said
do that.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Michael. But prove me right though. He is 26. He is young.
Okay.
Yeah. That's my job offer. Oh, that's your job offer. Oh, got it. That's his job offer. Okay. For the Big Four.
Job offer.
Oh, that makes sense. Well, congratulations then.
Yeah, no. It's a good. Wait. It's a good way to
job
get
offer for him or for you?
That's my job offer. Okay,
I'm trying to figure out.
So he got a job offer?
Oh, I'm trying to figure out if he's trying to hire you. Okay. So I was like, wait.
I don't know. Okay.
But that's awesome. Big Four helps you get in everywhere else. Oh.
You can say the same thing for the those the alphabet type of yeah. Those high.
The Googles
and the Amazons and
yeah.
You can say the same thing about that as well.
Oh wait, go back to CSSB. You made me chuckle out loud. CSSB, I'm young.
Forever young.
Forever young. I just saw a position where you just dashboard monitor, alert triage and escalate it. For where?
And that would be SOC analyst role, right?
Oh.
I'm not sure if it's referencing something else.
Okay.
But yeah,
scroll back down.
Monitoring, triaging, SOC analyst seems like. It depends. Can be NOC, Network Operations Center or Security Operations Center. We didn't really say
which one.
Yeah.
Okay. How says I got thrown straight into CS, cybersecurity, or is this computer science? Now we have to specify.
Yeah.
Sink or swim. You better swim. Wait, go back up.
Okay.
Michael, I'm going military officer. Oh, you're in the military. For ideally cybersecurity after I graduate.
Nice.
Oh, you're joining the military. Which one? And which branch? Thank you for your service in advance.
Okay.
Trying to pay off the student loans.
So are you going to go for the officer role?
That's what you said.
Officer. Okay, good. That's it. Yeah. Good.
The Marine is going to tell you to join the Marine.
I will probably say the Air Force.
Oh,
'cause
Air Force.
It's sweet,
Oh,
light and sweet.
oh.
Anyways.
And then after that, they'll make fun of you that you joined the sweet one. Sweet
Anyways,
one.
yeah, I think we are done.
wait, we have to finish.
Okay.
Isn't that bad enough? You gave me a starting point. It's not hard. Just get into a straight road. Depends on the company's need. Oh, okay, that's the stock road we're talking about.
Fake it till you make it.
Fake it till you
Yes,
make
it's
it.
me.
Yeah. What is the best way to learn? The best way to learn is being thorough. That's what they say about swimming, but I don't know. I'm still learning. Still learning. Military does well. Okay, fill the bird.
Yeah, especially cybersecurity and those intelligence stuff type of
Can you scroll
roles.
for me, please? Thank you.
Okay.
Since we don't block me. Since you paid 2 cents, Michael says since you paid 2 cents, is not worth it. It's not worth it enough.
Since you pay
2 cents. Which one?
2 tests.
Wait, no, I wasn't laughing that you were young. It's just the fact that you said you was young. You know, you could be young at heart.
Or probably delusional.
Don't do that.
I'm sorry.
You see him throw
I'm
shots.
sorry. Anyways.
So I went straight to Network Plus. Definitely slept on which this so much acronyms. Yeah. The Network Plus. I would agree. We did that yesterday. Mm-hmm. Bobby said, and we should, and I should focus on the tools like CyberArk or Hashi. This is for the IAM.
Yeah, CyberHack. CyberArk. Yeah,
CyberArk.
they do well. Yep, you did do well.
Okay, focus on CyberArk, Bobby. Mm-hmm. I'm sure you do well in this job role of yours. Congratulations, by the way. Air Force, number 1 choice. Army 2, Navy 3. What?
That is correct. Yep, that is right. That is and then Marine Corps, the tough guys.
Okay.
Always, yeah.
Hoorah.
Always carrying the
all right.
The weak ones. Anyways,
okay. You hear the Marines?
I think that.
Yeah, before. Oh, your husband was in the Air Force. Well, thank you for his service.
Yeah, no, Air Force is nice. That's nice.
You come in so shy.
Air Force.
Did you?
Anyways.
Oh. Now, CSSP is gonna come and throw shots. See, he's calling you delusional. Mind you, he swear he's young too. He swear he's young. I just need my security clearance. Oh, and military is the easiest way you can get it.
Yeah,
oh,
it is.
Okay.
Yep,
so you have an end goal in mind as to where you want to work, right? What is thoughts about Lavrel? Laravel?
Which one's that? Oh,
right above
that
CSSP.
is the it's what's the name? I don't want to say coding language, right? Yeah, it's used for writing. I think writing.
Good night, Mariana. We're about to leave too.
Mobile app, right? Mobile application. Yeah, probably have to look it up, but yeah, I think that is it.
Oh,
my end goal is FBI. Okay, then you're in the good route then.
Go Rust.
Rust. Oh.
What's that?
So Rust is also a programming language.
Oh, okay. Go back up for me. PhD asked a question. What is right there? What is MITRE attack? Can someone explain?
MITRE attack framework. Probably have to look it up a little. But basically, it's a way. I'm just going to give a high overview. If someone knows on top of their head, they can
the details
explain.
Into it.
Yeah, details into it. So MITRE attack chain. So basically, when
the answer was D, by the way. Mm-hmm.
When hackers are hacking, right,
mm-hmm.
they have some sort of methodology in place, right? So as a SOC analyst, right, you also need to know these MITRE attacks and know. So if you are triaging security incidents, you know exactly where the attacker is, right? So there's a mapping. So
there's a frame that explains how an attack happens. It was created by Lockheed. Yeah. Really? Interesting.
How it's prevented. Okay.
Can you go back up for me one more time? Bobby says, are there any other search you recommend for privileged access management?
Oh, I'll have to look it up.
Okay.
Not on top of my head.
But
why privileged access management specifically? It has to be IAM.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I don't think there's any certification specifically for privileged access management. It should be part of the IAM ecosystem.
So what are you saying?
So it's
No, I understood what you said, but is it that this privileged access management is not a part of? It's not related
So-
to IAM.
it is.
Uh-huh.
So yeah, so privileged access management is basically ways of managing privileged accounts, right? So basically admins and also implementing just-in-time privilege. So if someone needs access to run a specific system in an admin mode, right? The privilege access management is a system that would grant access for, let's say, X amount of time, and also just in time. So when you need it, it will give you access and then take back the access once you don't need it anymore, right? So I don't think it's a certification specific for that, but it's part of the IAM, Identity and Access Management.
Okay.
Yeah, unless someone has
He said, okay, somebody said,
exactly.
Johnny, the answer was C.
Yes,
We were
C,
finished
please.
up and we were just chit-chatting before we log off.
Yeah. Yeah, so yeah, IAM set covers PAM. Yep. So yeah.
Okay, so, and they really go together. So if they go together, then he could take the certification, huh?
No, but I don't know if there's any certification that says PAM.
Oh,
It's a subset of IAM that I don't think there's a certification for it.
Oh.
Okay?
Oh,
But
well,
unless
thank you, Michael. Thank you, Michael.
What happened?
I need to go sleep. The answer was push, right?
Push, yeah, D.
Somebody said was the answer C, and I said yeah.
No.
I need to go sleep. Bobby says, got it. The job role I got was PAM consultant at the Big Four, so was just more curious. Oh, but Bobby, if you got the job already, right?
I mean, you still have to improve. That's
No, I'm
a good
saying,
mindset.
yeah, no, I know.
Go ahead.
He would agree. But so then now, I guess the question Bobby's trying to get now is what else should he take to improve?
Yeah. For IAM specifically. So which platform are they using though?
What if he doesn't? What if, is it proprietary? What if he can't tell you? If he tells you that, then he'll know the company.
I mean, it's on the job description. So
Oh.
I mean,
Okay.
but
if
yeah,
you don't mind sharing,
you
Bobby.
should know what platform you're going to use, right? If it's CyberArk or if it's regular Microsoft, right? They have their own proprietary PAM system, right? Solution. So yeah, you have to know which yeah, because no, the Big Four also does. They usually do Microsoft and AWS. Yeah, they do that. Proprietary of it.
Okay. So he says that the IAM equals creates a user. PAM equals set of privileges for users.
Okay.
Oh, wait, holy. You have CSSP too, right? Is it the same holy? If it's the same holy, then let me know if you do. No, it's not going to be it's not going to be proprietary. Oh, okay. All right. Oh, okay. So it's either MS or Okta.
Okta.
Oh, Okta.
Yeah.
Okta for.
Yeah.
Oh, I have Okta.
So yeah.
Hey, where have you been? Where have you been? You stopped by one time and I didn't see you anymore. AMG Cali, right? Correct me if I'm wrong. Yeah. Yeah, Holiness does have a CSSP too. Okay. So there's a lot of educated people in the chat. Okay, Bobby says CyberArk,
HashiCorp, yeah.
HashiCorp. Delana, that's a nice name for a girl, you know? It's a nice name for a two. I was going to say somebody could name their daughter Delana. Delana.
Isn't that a name?
I don't, probably. Don't be like that, AMG. You didn't come by. AMG from Cali. How's it going, though? How are you? We haven't seen you in forever on here. CSSP Unite. You literally, we have all the. You should put your CSSP in the chat too, so you know the people know that we have highly educated people in the chat. All this, yeah. You guys work hard for that certification. Okay, that was it for the night.
Go, yeah.
AMG, you're late. 8:30 Eastern time. Tomorrow is Security Plus. Hopefully, we'll see you all there. Good night. Good night. Good night,
everyone.
Yes, it does mean you're educated. It's like for me, it means that you're putting PhD in your name.
Oh yeah, it does.
You better make sure.
Don't even underrate that certification. Don't
right?
you dare.
Yes, it's really, yeah.
All right.
Okay, night.
What?